Hey guys, and a warm welcome to AICI, which stands for AI Creative Interiors. Now, this is just a sort of like a brief, informal introduction into what is it I exactly do and what is it that I offer. Because you may come to my website and you may think, redecorate your home with AI, color, style, and custom home decor. What does that mean? So we will look through some concrete examples of how I work with clients and the personalized approach that I have towards interior design. But maybe we can start with something about me. My name is Ivana. I live in the UK and I am not a traditional interior designer, but I am an avid AI user. Now I'm using Midjourney for my work, which is not a before and after app, guys. So there are so many before and after apps. They're quite easy to use. You're very welcome to explore these if you want just a quick sort of like a view of what your home would look like with certain styles, and they are amazing. What I focus on more is style, colors, decor, because I also create a custom decor and all that. So I will show you exactly how it works in a minute. Now, I have been fascinated with Midjourney pretty much since the beginning. As I mentioned, started with version 3, and now, as you can imagine, it's very, very different to version 6. I have originally written a few books on the interior design that you can see on my website, AICI. So 110 interior design styles and these pushing boundaries. And but obviously, the reason I started doing interior sort of decoration business is because with version 6 we had these wonderful concepts that are very realistic, rather than in Midjourney version 5.2. For those of you who know about it, it was like crazy. We could literally create anything. Well, like you can see here, like these blues and these purples, which was fascinating. So V6 is very realistic, and I thought, well, this is my opportunity to try and see whether I can offer personalized service to clients and try on. I would like to say that I am trying on with my clients different looks for their homes so that they can make informed decision before committing to a change. Quick overview and navigation on my website. So you come to aici.co.uk and you can see straight away that I am using colors and styles in my design. So this is what will welcome you, and then we go down, and here you can see basically how colors and styles translate into interiors. So please have fun with it. See what you like, but basically we will of course do what you like, your favorite colors, and then be trying them on in interiors like this, whether you just want to do one room or whether you want to do the whole house. And I would be so happy to help you with literally from the smallest things to big ones. And also, it's about the home decor. So that home decor really will translate the house into a home, and I focus on custom home decor to go with the colors that you choose, but about that later. Right, so here we have explanation about the AI that I'm using. Now you can start free, so I would really welcome you guys, come and try this. This is so much fun, honestly. So you get 2 free renders, no commitment, but you just get to try what some colors would look like, certain colors would look like in the interiors, because sometimes we have these visions of the colors, but how will they actually translate into interiors? And you may be thinking, well, I'm not using before and after app. Guys, that doesn't matter, because I can get very close to your original layout. But as I said, the focus is not on the original layout of your place, it's on how the colors and styles would look in your interiors. So here we have short description or example of my interior design process. So I take the mood board and then we will translate that mood board into interiors, custom products like pillows, wall art, basically towels. I work with print-on-demand companies that have quite a large scale of products available, so we can literally create any product that you want in those colors as a home decor. And then going down the website, we have more of these cute before and after images. Guys, notice that I do not do before and after of the rooms. I do mood boards, colors, and then how they translate into interiors and wall art, custom products, and so on. If you are also a company that would love to work with us, please get in touch. Here is a form that you can fill in. I already have wonderful curated collection of mood boards and products that go with each color palette. So guys, I would love to invite you to have a look at what is going on here. So if you click on view all inspired places and home decor, it will take you to truly a treasure trove of mood boards and interiors. So if I just quickly show you, so if I press on my frosted peach, which is one of my favorite color designs, you can see that I start with mood board and then translate that mood board into kitchen, so you get a ton of inspiration. Then here we have some home decor with those colors. These are already ready to sell, but we can of course create custom products for you. These are ready to sell as well. If you like those palettes and they're ready to go, they're ready to be hung on a canvas, you can actually have a look at the full frosted peach collection. And then like custom work, so custom pillows in different styles and textures, bathroom decor and everything like that. So guys, this is a true treasure of inspiration and motivation, and I will pop the link underneath this video for you to check it out. Next, apart from custom home decor, I also do custom artwork, and here are some of my examples. Again, I will work with you closely on what is it that you want, the colors, the style, and we will create something truly unique and specific just for you. All my custom artwork is only used for one person, one home, and that's how it is. And the custom artworks are available for personal homes, but also for businesses. So I'm able to, this here is something I did for the offices. This is also an office space. So please, if you are interested in getting something unique for your home or your business, please check this out. Now I've got some curated artworks ready to go, ready to sell as well. So this is just a small collection, guys. I've got so many things on a go that I just don't have the time to do it all. And here is some social media accounts where you can follow me. And of course we have the blogs. Now let's start with examples of how this all works. So basically we are looking at redecoration and reimagination of some of our spaces. So guys, my latest blog, 7 ways to try on hallway looks, has just been added this week. I will pop the link underneath this video. Let's take a look at what I did here. So basically, as you see, again, I've got my mood board. My mood boards are all here, and I've got like hundreds of mood boards. I'm constantly creating new ones, not only mood boards, but I'm also creating like sample boards and constant, I'm constantly thinking of something new to try. But these are my sort of like a main mood boards, and then I was sort of like applying those mood boards, 7 mood boards to our interior. So guys, this is a fun blog post for you to read. I would really recommend that you do. So as you can see here, I have actually created a plain hall with Midjourney, but as we know, the Midjourney isn't a before and after app. So here we have 4 ways how this can be implemented. As you can see, it's not the exact that hallway because Midjourney works differently to before and after apps. It's giving us such beautiful ideas. I mean, look at it, right? So go to the post, have fun, and have a look at these beautiful designs. So it just sort of like gives us an idea of what something would look like in our interiors, and I've got 7 of them, so that it's quite a lot to go through, but it's quite fun as well. And we can also see it here. As you can see, I've got everything organized in my Midjourney, and it's under 7 hallways. So we can see here basically what I've been using. This mood board, just going to, again, the same one. I will show you a few mood boards. I mean, how beautiful is this, right? Now this is this mood board. So again, guys, it's about like trying on colors. because I myself have never been very brave with colors before AI. It's only with the help of AI that I'm learning about colors and how to put them together. So for me, this has been a revelation. So it's this mood board, so very, very vibrant. We can of course choose what we're going to be implementing into our interior. So again, that mood board here, and let's keep going. Yeah, so again, we've got that tangerine and pinkish sort of tones there, and again that. So we've got this one. So this is like, I really love this one. Yeah, different designs. Now we've got some lavender, again looking at how that translates into our interiors, guys. So I'm not going to go over all of them because obviously there is a blog post. Again, it's linked in the description, so please take a look at that. It's really interesting, and I'm sure you will get a ton of inspiration from that blog post. So guys, those were my mood boards. I love creating mood boards in different colors. As I mentioned, guys, I have never been good with colors before. That applies to my wardrobe as well. But now I'm learning and I'm loving every second. Okay, guys, so let's have a look at more examples of how my mood boards and my sample boards translate into interiors. So, for example, here we have this mood board translated into that. And then let's go. That's the same mood board, but you can see you just get so many different designs and styles. And that is why I like to say that we are trying this on. So we try on different colors, which before and after apps don't do, but Midjourney of course does. So that is why I'm sticking with this program. I just love it. So guys, here if you see this image, I would be able to create for you blankets, pillows, artwork in this design, and of course help you with choosing the colors for your interiors. So that is where my services lie. So again, we've got here, my goodness, I can even do mugs for you. Not a problem at all. Actually, when I first started with Midjourney, I was focusing on mug art, wall art, things like that. Again, we are trying on one of my favorite mood boards here, which is a frosty mint. I absolutely love this style. And it doesn't just stop at the interior, guys. Like for example, if I was helping you with like a business premises, I can design for you even the marketing materials in these colors. So that is, I think, where AI technology is so amazing. So let's keep going, see other mood boards. As you can see, it's one mood board, but it's just like endless trying zone. It's like, it reminds me of being in the changing room and trying on different clothes and seeing what we like, what we don't like. Okay, so this is the mood board. It's a little bit of woody. Oh my god, I really love this. You can keep the sort of like mood board as simple as you want, but you can also tell me what you would like included in that mood board, whether that's colors or materials. So yeah, this is another one. Yeah, endless inspiration and motivation. Now here we have this kind of like wintry pink mood board, which again I really love. And again, look how it translates into interiors. Again, I can do so much for you. Pick up the color that we need for this, like create custom pillows, home decor. But guys, also what you can do once we have your generations ready, you can also use Google Lens and see whether similar items are already available. And then if not, then we can create something together. So basically, my services come in when you don't want something off the peg, but when you want something truly created just for you. And I believe that with AI technology, that's where we headed, that we sort of like can style our home exactly to what we always visualized. So let's keep going. So again, this is the wintry pink theme. I really love this wintry pink. Very soft and gentle. I don't usually like pink, but this is just a gorgeous, this wintry pink. Now here we have something a little bit more crazy, sort of tropical, as you can see. So again, guys, no problem creating pillows for you, wall art for you, mugs in those colors. So just ask. Oh my goodness, look at that, right? So gorgeous. Again, we will be able to find the colors if you want, and like decide what are we going to do in your interiors, trying it on until you are 100% happy. And my aim is to really make it as fun and simple and stress-free for you as possible, because as we know, redecorating isn't an easy task. And quite a lot of us struggle with putting colors together and putting themes together. And I feel like, there hadn't been much support in the stores, well, at least in the UK. Like, I even felt quite shy to ask, well, what colors go together well, because I felt like I should know it, but I didn't. So, guys, this try on style, try on service, I think what I'm offering is amazing. You can start for free. If you like what you see, then we can work together and literally customize whether you want a corner of your room, one room, or a whole house. If you have a whole house for me, I would be so happy. But yeah, give it a try, guys. Don't be afraid. You have nothing to lose, I promise you. And let's take a look at some of the last examples, because otherwise we'd be here forever. As you can see, I've done loads and loads of designs. I am in love with my mood boards. I'm constantly creating mood boards, you guys, and trying it on in interiors. This is my passion. So guys, again, here we see the sort of like an ocean mood board, and again, pillows, home decor I can create specifically for you. It's very simple to, try this on in your own apartment or house, and, like, put the colors together. So guys, give it a try. I will be so happy to help you. Now, what other mood boards have we got here? Oh, this is one of my favorite mood boards. This is I love this combination. Again, very, very soft palettes, blue and sort of orangey there. What else have we got here? Teal. Oh, I love this. Teal and orange. Just beautiful. So guys, you can go as wild or as gentle as you want. The choice is yours, and that's why we are trying it on, before we make any commitment. Yeah. Well, I think this should be enough. I mean, otherwise we'd be here forever, guys. So I would love to invite you to have a look at my website at aici.co.uk. I mean, of course, if you are watching this video already on my website, welcome. Please browse. And please, if you are looking at redecorating, let's get together, let's connect, and let's see what we can do for your home or business. Guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, because I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos and a lot of motivation and inspiration. And I will see you next time. Thank you guys so much. Bye-bye.